In today's video, we are going to show you how to print Edpuzzle questions, which you can use for offline use, review, or record keeping. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your teacher account and go to the left side area of the dashboard panel. Click the My Content. Now, select the video that contains the questions you want to print. For example, this one, and click the edit button because this allows you to view all of the embedded questions like multiple choice, open-ended, and notes along the video timeline. You see this? I have a question here. So the question is, I'm gonna click the continue button. So go to the questions tab and I have the questions here. All right. So I'm just gonna copy all the information. So for example, if we have so many questions here, copy the questions and then go to your Google Docs, which is this one, paste all the questions here. It's super simple, or you can paste it to your Microsoft Word or maybe a PDF editor. You can add spacing or numbering to make the printout cleaner and then go to this section that says print or press the Control button plus P or Command plus P button on your keyboard. And all I have to do is super simple. Click the print button and there you have it. And there you have it. Basically, that's it for today's video on how to print your Edpuzzle questions. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.